COVID-19 cases in Arkansas went up by more than 1,300 today, bringing the total combined number of confirmed and probable cases past 104,000. Active cases are up by nearly 400, and another 10 people have died. Hospitalizations are up by 12, and 927 more people have recovered. And here's a look at the testing trends in the natural state. Over the past week, the 2-week rolling average for the positivity rate has been going up. It now stands at just under 10% of tests coming back positive.